everyone, I'm in Disney World. This is Magic Kingdom.
What's up, Magic Kingdom?
Just a regular day here at Magic Kingdom. I bought my ticket this morning at 7:30 and thought I had no idea to get a fast pass. And actually I did. Of course, not for the rides that I wanted, but it's already a good start. And the first one is right now. For those of you who don't know, you can get 3 free fast passes. That means you go in front of everyone without paying more. If you don't have the Magic Band, you know, that wristband, right at the entrance they give you a card, and this is your ticket. Also what you use for the Fast Pass.
Strike right, left, poke him in the belly, point your finger, hurrah!
My first Fast Pass, Pirates of the Caribbean. Wow, Fast Pass is amazing. Love how they look so real. The Cinderella Castle. Among other things, there's a restaurant and a secret hotel suite inside for special guests. Hello, the other side of the castle. Wow, look at this line. It has like 300 turns here outside. The Small World was my first ride ever in Disney. The very first time I came to Orlando in 1995, so it still has a special place in my heart. Yep, that was my second Fast Pass. The majority of the line was outside and I didn't even see it. Now, there are some rumors that Disney may close this ride. You know, who knows? This is a classic at Magic Kingdom. It was created in 1964 for the New York World's Fair. And it's so cute! It shows the various cultures all over the world, and in the end, everybody's happy playing together. Thank you. All cultures together. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir. Shalom. Ciao. Adeus. Namaste. Adios. Das vidania. Can't recognize any other language. Let's see how's the wait time here for our next attractions. Ooh.
No, we don't take the big boat. We take the little raft.
125 minutes? What's this?
Barnstormer.
Peter Pan.
Maybe she would ride that.
Ooh, 180. What is this? 7 Dwarfs. Wow. This is the one I wanted, Space Mountain. 180 minutes. Oh my God. 3 hours waiting. No, I'll save it for later. This is one I really wanted. Didn't get a fast pass. Some parks here in Orlando offer the single rider option, which means you can go by yourself. You're not worried about who you're gonna sit next to. You know, you obviously are not gonna ride with your family or your friends, but at least you go much, much faster. Here at Magic Kingdom, they don't offer that. So when you see 3 hours in line, that means 3 hours of waiting time. No escape. Let's see anything that is bearable, like an hour. I can wait. Meet Cinderella? No. Splash Mountain, this is very cool too. 2 hours and 20 minutes. So I'm going to Haunted Mansion because it's right here, very close, and the wait time is not that bad. Having fun while we wait. Only Disney scary. The effects are very nice though. Let's get some lunch. In addition to the Fast Pass, there's another way you can save time here at Disney. In the restaurants, you can order your food via the app and only arrive when it's time to eat. So it's very easy. Look at this. At the app, you can see all the restaurants and also the prices. Ta-da, where is it? Where is it? There. Much easier to choose so that you don't need to walk everywhere. You just go where you know you want to eat. And here there's a map as well. It shows where the restaurant is located compared to you. And you can also choose what's closer to you based on your schedule at the park. Cool. Placing my order now. Going for the Good Old Burger. Need something fast. I guess you pay right here too. Yep. They have a whole area for mobile orders. And it's empty. I absolutely loved it. I really felt like a VIP. You know, lines everywhere, especially for you to place your order. And in the mobile section, totally empty. Amazing. But I made a mistake. You know, as soon as you place your order on your phone, there's a screen that comes up and says, press here when you are in the restaurant because we want your order to be fresh. Fine, great. But I hit back to go see where the restaurant is so that I could go there. And then my order disappeared, nowhere to be found. I had to go to the mobile section and tell them my name so that they could find me in the system. They did. It was really, really fast and solved, but you know, there was that. My last Fast Pass is to meet Mickey. It was the only one available. That's why I got it. Who cares? I'm going there to take a picture with him. Hi, Fast Pass for Mickey. Right here? Oops, wrong card. Wrong one. Not this one, this one. Thank you. You're welcome. Only the kids, their parents, and me.
Hiya, pal.
Hi, how are you?
Couldn't be better. Thanks for asking.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, Mickey, our friend is from Brazil.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's see if I remember how to say this. Podemos tirar uma foto.
That was so lovely. Of course.
Cheese.
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 Okay, right over here, guys. Looks like we got it, Mickey. Muito obrigada. Thank you. Obrigada. Hi. Ciao. That was so lovely. I didn't know he speaks. Look at the pictures. How many? They're really nice, actually. I like them. Look. There's also a Disney photographer there. She takes lots of pictures of you. It immediately appears in your account, but it's not free. You have to buy. Let's see how much is it. $70. No. That's because you cannot buy just one picture. You have to buy the pass, for all your pictures. I had never been to this train. I thought you could see the entire park, but no, you actually see very little. This is purely transportation from one section to the next. Now the wait time is a little better in this area here. Look at that. Guess where I'm going? Okay, about the same wait time for both attractions, so see you in a while. I spent about 4 hours in lines. It got dark, but I went to a roller coaster and I went to Splash. Wow, it was so good. What was really cool was that by the time we got all the way to the top, there were fireworks going on. So we had that beautiful view, the fireworks illuminating the whole park. And then, the crazy, crazy ride. I'm totally wet, but I'm so happy. With this happy and beautiful ending, I now say goodbye to Magic Kingdom. But the park's actually open until midnight. And for those who stay at Disney hotels, until 2 in the morning. But no, gotta rest. There's more Orlando tomorrow. Hello everyone, I'm in Disney World. This is Magic Kingdom, sorry. Oh my god, I pressed the wrong button. No, cancel this. São 3 horas de espera. Is all that just to be my vlog? That's okay, honey. I'll feature you. No worries.